Yeah, Kingsbury. Or, yeah, that one. And then we just need to watch for Forest Lake Drive to make our left. I don't think GPS will be working. Oh, it is. Old Wavy Road. Not this right. Yeah, next one. Yep, right here. Yeah. TS is working. It's off.
That's where any more trees go down.
Yeah. Yeah. Get a little ways up this way. Whoa. At some point here it changes from Old Waggy Road to Church Road.
Wow, limbs are falling
Wow.
as we're going.
Yeah. Whoa, shit, it's taking the truck. Still lanes. We gotta pass the True Vine Church.
True wine. That's where you get the Holy Spirit. And the true vine. Oh, shit's coming down. There's E Street.
Yeah. It's gonna be your next left. We still have a little ways. That was the True Vine Church. We just passed on the left. Just around this curve, and then we're making a left at a four-way. That's it. Right there.
Oh, I thought you forward stop.
Whoa, whoa, this came down. Oh no, it was down. We had to go around this before. That came down.
Yeah.
These are lines down.
Live
Right
power
here.
lines on the ground.
No, you have four-wheel drive though. Oh my goodness, and another one.
Locked in.
You might be able to. Can you go cruncher over this little section here? I'll go on that yard. Four-wheel drive. About damn time we actually used the four-wheel drive for something four-wheel driving.
Yeah. Holy shit, that saved our bacon right there.
Yep. I mean, we probably could have made it to Kingswood and gone, because that one goes straight through. Oh, look, the lake is overflowing here.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like they're having trouble with their deck.
Dock is seen better days.
There's a pontoon onto dock. Whoa! Holy shit! Ah, yeah, we can squeeze by it. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Get our asses back.
This is definitely an adventure.
This is why you don't buy two-wheel drive pickup trucks.
Right.
Hey, here we are.
Four-wheel drive saved our ass. Ooh. Oh, what's that? Somebody's out trash. Good luck.
Yeah, he's all still. He's got to do
Yay! Christ. There was only one tree down we had to worry about on the way out, and there were like 5 of them on the way back.